Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video I'll teach you guys how you can turn off targeted ads on your iPhone. So if you guys are like me who does not like ads at all, and whenever you're searching something or whenever you're doing something, they just give you the ad of that very targeted options. So if you don't want that, you can turn it off. So this is how you do it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your settings. After you open up your settings, scroll down till you find privacy and security. Tap on it and open it up. After you open it up, you will need to scroll down all the way. And after you scroll down all the way, you will see an option called Apple Advertising. Tap on that. Now here you will find an option called Personalized Ads. So if this is turned on, simply turn it off like I have done. And this will just limit Apple's ability to deliver relevant ads to you, that is the targeted ads, and will not reduce the number of ads you receive. You'll just get the targeted ads turned off, but you'll still be getting ads. So yeah, after you do that, you can scroll up all the way and you'll see a tracking option. Tap on this and turn on allow apps to track. So what this does is that if you do not have a pop-up to give them permission about tracking, they will track you anyways, and then through that tracking you will get personalized ads. So yeah, that is how you can turn off targeted ads. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.